Hi everyone. So I am Dr. Kristen Zajakowski, and I just wanted to do a little announcement to talk to pet owners about pet insurance. So first I'll say I think that pet insurance is extremely helpful. I do think that if financially feasible, every family should have insurance for their pet. I do have insurance for my pets. My dog is covered by Trupanion and my cats are covered by Fetch. There's no affiliation with either of those. They're just examples of two companies that offer pet insurance, and there are multiple other companies as well. So what I wanted to talk to you about is making sure as a consumer that you are being protected as far as your policy. So what it's important that owners know is that some policies do require an exam within a certain period of time after enrolling your pet. So if you have purchased insurance, it's possible that until your pet is examined by a vet, they will not have full coverage. So please, if you have insurance, review the policy to see if that is written in there. And if it's not clear, contact the company and ask them whether your pet is fully covered at this time, whether they have your pet's medical records, or whether there's any follow-up that you need to do in order to consider your pet covered by their insurance coverage. The additional thing that I wanted to mention is that most companies will review the pet's medical history in order to evaluate whether there's any exclusions to the policy. And so sometimes they won't actively tell pet owners what exclusions might be on their policy. And so it is important that you also ask, are there any exclusions for my pet's policy? If there are, sometimes some companies will allow a review of the pet's policy within a certain period of time. So for instance, if the pet has not had to be seen by a vet for a condition that they previously had been seen for within 6 to 12 months, it's possible that your insurance company may remove that as an exclusion, but you have to contact them and make that a request. So if you currently have insurance, you can also contact them, ask about pre-existing conditions, and if there's something on there that your pet had to be seen for at some point, but it was just a once off and it's never had the same issue again, you may request that they review that exclusion to see if it can come off of your pet's policy. So, I want to reiterate that I think pet insurance is extremely helpful and valuable. It makes it easier for us to do our job because it does remove some of the financial burden from owners. And it also makes it easier for owners to have to make some of those tough decisions. So hopefully the information that I've given in this little post is going to be helpful for some owners out there. The takeaway really, if you have insurance for your pet, review your policy. If the policy isn't clear about whether you have coverage for your pet, contact the company and directly ask them. If you have a policy and there are exclusions, you can contact the insurance company and ask them to review whether those exclusions can be removed from your pet's insurance policy.